How do you say excuse me in French? The phrase excuse me in French is excusez-moi, excusez-moi. For example, excusez-moi, où sont les toilettes? Excusez-moi, où sont les toilettes? Excuse me, where are the toilets? You might also hear this word, pardon, pardon. This phrase works just like excuse me when you're trying to get somebody's attention, or if you want to move past them. Pardon, pardon, je dois passer. Pardon, je dois passer. Excuse me, I need to get by. So if you want to say excuse me in French, you can say excusez-moi or pardon. If you want to learn to speak French, you can get my course 3-Minute French by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME on checkout, you can get a discount.